Welcome to the Questor update. Today I made fair progress, actually yesterday and today. I made a previous video showing all the little pieces on here. I don't know if I'll post that or not, but I've put a lot of little pieces in here to make a support for the landing gear because I have an idea for how that's going to work. I had to redo the servo tray, so that's all in there, and it's in there permanently now. So that's going to work out. So I've got 3 servos I can put in here, for example. There's the throttle servo. And I had to rework things a little bit because of space in here for the landing gear. Because the landing gear in here sits right in front of that servo, and it's like the support is right up against that servo. So I had to position that servo properly, and I decided to make a new servo tray that was all one piece, and then I've just got a brace in there for the other 2 servos to rest on in the back, and that'll be plenty support. And if I need more, I can add a little block under here to give something more for the screws to bite into if I need to, because I think that's a 1/8 inch plywood. This thing is gaining a little weight. I'm a little worried about that because it's pretty much all hardwood right now. I've done no balsa on here yet. But anyway, I made some landing gear. I took an 1/8 inch steel wire and I bent it. I won't get into the details of what kind of horror story that was to try to do. But I like successful end products. I'm going to have to tweak it some to get it aligned and all that, but that's part of the whole alignment process. But basically there will be a slot on the bottom of the airframe where this just slides in, and there will be some spring-loaded mechanism here somehow. I don't have the details worked out yet, but it's formulating in my mind where it'll just clip over that when you put them in. So they'll snap in, and there'll be a piece that I either push or pull to release to get it out. So it's starting to look like an airplane. I got these really light wheels on there, which I need because it's starting to get a little heavy. I've given this a little more distance here from the ground compared to the other, the Stick 30 that I have, because the 4-stroke OS FS 26 4-stroke that I'm running swings a 9.5 inch prop, and there's like that much clearance from the prop to the ground when it's on a landing when it's on the runway, when it's the tail's up. So I gave that about an inch more clearance, so that ought to be plenty of clearance. And well, there you go. There you have it. Landing gear, looking good. It's almost looking like an airplane. I am getting tired of this project.